Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel ProgTech. In this movie, I'm going to tell you how you can show your data that you make add to cart. Now, first of all, as we want to access the data or get the data from our $sign session, that's why you must have to start the session. First, in at the top of the page, we have to start our session, and now these are the actually the front end of my page. These are the two page. For home page, I'm giving the link to my home page, and for show cart I'm give the button show cart that it's remain at my cart table. And here are the table head. Wait for this. And if I'm giving the quantity 3, this is the front end. These are the serials number and name, price, quantity, update. These are the actually the if I'm going to the these are things: serial number, names, price, quantity, and these are the buttons in the end of the my page. Now we are going to our basic logic, how the we can get the products from our session variable, and how to show these products in our view.php page. For the getting the values or products from our $sign session, we are going to use the for each loop. For each loop, because for each loop is very important loop when we are handling with the array, and as we store the things in the session as an array. Because at zero index, if I'm going to my previous page, here it is at the zero index. Our these are the name of our, and index 1, that is the price of our product, and index 3, that is that our quantity of our products. This is the I'm going to use the for each loop, and this is the $sign session, and this is the $sign session where we are this is the actually these are the $sign session where I'm going to access this. And I use the as and taking an other variable $sign product. And for that moment, ignore these two values. And this is the form for the update button. When I'm for that moment, also ignore this, because this is the update button, and we discuss in our later lecture. And here are the serial number starting the serial number 1, and this is the serial number plus plus, means that as an I adding the more products, it automatically serial numbers increasing. Here the using again for loop $sign products, and these are $sign key. This is the actually the index number 0, 1, 2, and these are the values that store at that index. And that means that at zero index, as we save the name of our product, and at index 1 we save the I think so price. Yeah, price. And index 3 we store the quantity of our product. When now here I using the if condition. If that $sign key equal to 0, simple equals the value of that product, means that when the index 0, then show the name of the product, and when the index 1, show the value, means that when index 1 we have the price, means that this show us the price, and this show us the quantity of our quantity of our product. Now, and these are the billing portion, mean that when we increasing the quantity, our automatically increasing the total price. This is the simple logic that I was later saying that ignore these are the I'm using the two variable $sign p and $sign q at the starting position. These are both are the 0, but as the first product is added in it, and we increasing the quantity, and these are automatically multiply this quantity with the price, and assign this to $sign bill, and I simply echo this bill. Actually, this is the total price 3000. This is the actually the bill. And now here I am going to create the two button. These are two button for the update and for the delete. Now this is the delete and update button, and here is the form, because I want to send the these two button values to my next update page. That's why I'm creating the two buttons. These are my two button, delete button and my update button. Now we will discuss about how these button we use these delete button. These are the using the echo statement, and this is the input statement for this form value, and means that this is the, and I'm giving the name, means that name dollar sign key at zero means that name zero, when the name zero assigning to the name, and its value is dollar sign value. Similarly, the this is the index one, means that name one, and this is the name two, means that these are all the things that I'm storing on the name, and then take these as the input. And here is the closing the form, and I'm give the action update.php, means that these all the things are going to the next page update.php. Now we are going to update php. Here is the, we are starting the session, and I'm getting all the values, name 0, name 1, name 2, and these are actually these value, name 0, because dollar sign key at this point is 0, and dollar sign key at this point at 1, and dollar sign key at this point at 2. That's why I'm access these by the help of name 0, name 1 and name 2, and assigning these to my dollar sign name, price and quantities. Now at this page I'm accessing these three quantities, mean that name, sorry, entities, name, price and quantity. And this is my submit button, means that update button or update button, or and here it is the dollar sign product. And again I storing these all the things, these all the things to my dollar sign product. And if say I say that if my button is equal to the value update, means that here is the my two buttons, and I'm giving the value update, means that when my button is equal to update, then assign these my updated product to my dollar sign session, means that make the update in my previous session. Now here is my now at that point our session is updated. Now this is the delete button. Else if the button is equal to value delete, then unset the session. If we want to delete the session or remove the that session, then we use the unset. Unset make it delete our session, current session. So I'm using the unset and say that dollar sign session. Sorry, dollar session name that means that delete that session. That's why we are using the delete button. Now we are going to our page and check it's again it's working. We are going to home page, and I said that the quantity is 12, add to cart, show cart. Here is my two products, and these are the multiply logic of these, means that the quantity multiply with the price and show me the result. Similarly the quantity multiply with the price and it show me the result. And these are the delete button, and if I want to update it, I place a 15 and make update, and it automatically update the total price. So this is the simple our add to cart, that how we can create the card by the help of the super global variable of the session. And basically in this whole tutorial, the main logic is that how we can store the product of one page, and how we can use this same product and same intent is in my second page. That is the basic logic. And in the previous page, as I the store my name, price and quantity, and in second page I access these all the things, same things by the help of dollar sign session, because in previous page I store these things in the session, and now at this page I'm accessing these uh, all the things from the session. So this is the simple add to cart system, and you can use this system in your website, in your e-commerce website, in simple your dropshipping website. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Allah Hafiz.